convert 4312 base 6 to what? To base 10. Now, solution. We have 4312. What base? Base 6. We want to convert to what? To base 10. The first thing to do is to assign values from the back. This return to what? This is 0. Then what do you have? 1. This is 2. Then this is what? 3. Now the next thing for us to do is to write out the expanding form. We have 4 times 6 raised to the power of what? 3. Plus, what do we have here? 3 times 6 raised to the power of what? 2. Plus, what's the next one? 1 times 6 raised to the power of what? 1. Plus 2 times 6 raised to the power of what? 0. Now, 4 times what? How do you get 6 raised to the power of 3? 6 times 6, 6 squared. That's 36. 36 times 6 again, what do you have? 216. Then plus 3 times what? 36. Plus 1 times 6, because 6 raised to power 1 is 6. Plus 2 times what? 6 raised to power 0, 1. This is equals to 4 times 216. 216 times 4. Let's look at that. 4 times 6. That's what? 24. Then we carry 2. 4 times 1. That is 4. So 4 plus 2 that we carried. That will be 6. Then 4 times 2. What do we have? 8. So it means that 4 times 216 is 864. Now, 3 times 36, that is 108. Then 1 times 6, that is 6. And 2 times 1, what do we have? That is 2. Now, we are going to add. Let's take this one. A64 plus, what is 108? Plus 6. That is 114. Then 114 plus 2. That is what? 116. Then we are going to add this together. 864 plus 116. What are we going to have? 4 plus 6, 10. Then we are going to carry what? We carry 1. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. Then what do we have? 8 plus 1, 9. So it means that the answer is what? 980 base 10. That is the solution to the problem.